Today we are going to make a video of how to create your own character in online. So we have character creator Picrew. So I'm going to make in that. I'm going to tell you how to use that. So I have made lots of channels. I have made lots of files. So first what you need to do is first you need to take a body here. I'm going to take this, and you can take the color. I'm making myself, so I'm going to make it like this. In the eyes, I'm going to choose this and make it in the color this. It's going to be this. Then the other eye also should be like this, but the color of this. Next we are going to take the eyebrows. I'm not going to choose any eyebrows. I'm going to take an angry one. And for the nose, I'm going to take this nose. So next, this is the mouth, guys. You can choose any mouth. This is my design, so I'm going to use this. And I'm going to use this for me. So for my character, I want a scar. I don't know what you guys want. You can choose anything. I'm going to choose this for the thing. And the hair of mine is like this. And this part, I'm a boy, so I don't need none of that. And this, I have this, guys. Next we're going to use this. I don't have any of these things in my head, so I don't need it. And this also I don't have. So I'm going to use the clothes, but I don't want any clothes because I wear jacket, which is in blue color. Now I'm going to use a cap. So I'm going to use this cap, which is blue. It should be red. And no, none of these. And I don't have glasses, guys. And now I don't have any earrings, but I use this a lot of times. And for design, I'm going to use this here. And the color is going to be red. Next, we're going to use one badge. I don't want any badge. And these are the hands. Types of hands I used. I'm going to use this. And this is the background, guys. I'm going to take this background. And now we're going to choose one of these. Let me choose this. No. Yeah, I'm going to choose this, guys. Now I'm going to use okay. What about I use this? No. This I'm going to use, guys. I'm going to use the background like this. And now you need to click this button here. Complete. Now you're done with your character. Now you need to click image download. Open it. And here you go. There is lots of details, and you create your own character. And I want to show you guys some of them which I created. I created a lot of them. I created this here, and I created this. I created a lot of them, guys. This is a zombie, guys. I created my own zombie, and I also think I created a vampire of mine. And then I did this by mistakenly, but this is nice, guys, for me. And I created this zombie girl, and I created witch. And that's it, guys. That's all the things I did. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and like.